basically what we're going to do is I have these layers of bricks stacked upon this box here, and I have this box that has a couple keyframes on it. It just moves around back and forth, and it gets to the end, and then it's going to tilt down. And once we run this through reactor, the movement of this board moving back and forth is going to affect these bricks here that you see laying on top of it. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to go into your helpers menu here. We're going to go to the drop down, we're going to choose reactor, I'm going to go rigid body collection, and you're just going to click in your screen and you get this little icon, which is a rigid body collection. And now down here you have this window where you have pick, add, and delete. And what you want to do is you want to click the add button, and then you can go in, select all, and we'll go through and select all your objects in your scene, and then go select. And now for this rigid body collection we have a list of all our objects. For this simulation, since it is really simple, I'm only going to use one rigid body collection. For more advanced simulations using, one or two or more reactions in a simulation, you can add more rigid body collections and then go through your scene and pick which objects you want in that simulation, or in that collection, sorry. So now that we have that, we're going to go into the reactor panel. So to get to that, you go into your utilities and you click reactor, and it opens up all these little parameters here that you can go in and fuss around with. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that in your preview and animation section, your start frame and your end frame are the same as your timeline. As you go through your simulation, the default setup is 100.